This is a basic logarithm problem where bases to the log are different. Log x to power 3 base 2 equals to 9 log 5 to the base 8. To solve this question, first of all, we are going to use logarithm rule, that is log b to power n base a is also equals to n multiply log b to base a. So this simplifies to 3 log x to base 2 equals to 9 multiply. Here base to the log is 8, so to simplify this question we are going to change this base from 8 to 2 by using rule, that is log b to base a is equals to log b base m divided by log a base m. So this simplifies to log 5 base 2 divided by log 8 base 2. So this simplifies to 3 log x base 2 equals to 9 log 5 base 2 divided by 8 is also equals to 2 to power 3, so this can be write as log 2 to power 3 to base 2. So this can be simplified by a logarithm rule, that is log a to power n base a is equals to n. So this simplifies to 3 log x base 2 equals to 9 log 5 base 2 divided by, from this formula this is simplifies to 3. So this equation has been simplified to 3 log x base 2 equals to 9 log 5 base 2 divided by 3. 3 is 3. From this 3 cancel out, so this simplifies to log x base 2 equals to log 5 base 2. So as we can see on both sides, as the bases are same, so both can be compared. So with comparison we can say that x is equals to 5. So x equals to 5 is answer for this question.